Izakhamuzi Zase Diepsloot senyakatho yeGoli sekuphele isikhathi zikhononda ngokubulawa kwabantu kulomphakathi. NgoLwesihlanu ziyibambele umthetho ngezandla zashisa abayisikhombisa abasolwa ngokuba zinswelaboya kulomphakathi.
So we're asking General Kale, we're asking the president to say we want a permanent solution in Diepsloot. There's a high number of illegal immigrants.
Umphakathi usola uhulumeni ngokuhudula inyawo ukubhekana nobugebengu Kulendawo. Ngondlangulana nonyaka lomphakathi wanikele endlini zombuso ePitoli uyocela umengameli Eze Kulendawo. Nokuyimizamo ke engathelanga zithelo njengoba umphakathi usuzibambele umthetho.
This could have been avoided. One, if the first tier of governance was operational.
We have been knocking in all the doors, especially to our government, institutions. The president, the state president, we have been begging for him to come so that at least the people can see that the government is doing something about their situation. They don't want to listen.
Owengamele ezokuphepha komphakathi eGauteng uthi igebengu ziyaboshwa kodwa ke bese ziyadedelwa.
It's the same thing in Westbury, same thing in Eldos, and even in people everywhere, is that when we catch these criminals and take them to the police station, the conviction rate is very low. And you find that in terms of them sending back to going to jail and getting a court date, is an arm and a leg. And then you find that those individuals, they are able to get whatever bail and whatever, and then the community, they see them going back inside.
Abekho abasaboshiwe emphakathini kulabo abashise abasolwa ngobugebengu ngoLwesihlanu.